Ralph, good boy. Where? Oh. He pooed on my shoulder. He shit on my shoulder, Bev.
This is Ralph. Ralph has pooed on his daddy's shoulder.
Andrew, you put it on YouTube.
Nice bit of poo there. Say hello, Jason.
Hello. Ralph, come on, good boy.
Give him a kiss, Joe.
Kiss, kiss.
Oh, don't you know then, or?
No. Ralph, good boy.
Oh, he's looking at me. He's going to have me.
Charlie, do you want to stroke him? Why?
But Neve, go and stroke the parrot.
Do you want to stroke him? Right there. Bit me.
He's trying to get your cup.
He wants a drink, look. Wait, come on, big good boy. Wait, don't keep fucking pricking me. Stop it. Stop it. Good boy.
He wants his teeth.
Ralph.
Put your cup near him, see what he does.
You want some, look.
Who's the pretty boy then?
He's trying to drink the coffee, Bev.
No!
Good boy, Ralph.
He's got them on his shoulder.
Come on. Be a good boy.
I want it to bite you so I can see it on film. Hello, Ralphie.
Watching you, Andrew. Come on.
Is he biting him, Neve?
It won't hurt you, Neve.